What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to get 360 waves the right way. And if you're a beginner waver, this video is perfect for you. So I'm gonna show you the brushes. You feel me? This is gonna be the first thing. This is gonna be your best friend, the brushes. The hard brush. This is the one that pulls from your roots. This is good for woofing typically. You know what I'm saying? Just to make sure that you're covering all grounds. But the medium brush is more, you know what I'm saying, ideal for daily brushing with just any hair. You get a haircut, start with the medium brush. You can start with the soft brush, but typically everybody has a medium brush. The soft brush now, this is perfect for laying everything down after you just completed your daily routine. So you went with the hard brush, you went with the medium brush. Now it's just gonna polish everything off and lay it down, make it look silky.
I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh.
Now another big step in getting 360 waves is the washing style method. Washing your hair while brushing it into the pattern keeps it clean and keeps it laid. It softens your hair up, makes it more manageable, and it actually helps with progress while keeping your scalp healthy. So this is what's really gonna separate you from, you know what I'm saying, the people that just got waves. This is gonna, serious wavers and people who got waves, this is what's gonna separate you from them, you know what I'm saying? But that product y'all just seen, that's a shampoo bar. I got it off Amazon. I've been using it. It's been pretty good. Like, I like how it makes my hair feel pretty good. So yeah, y'all go look for like natural products and what suits your hair best, because I feel like everybody's hair is really different. So you just need to find something that works for you. Now let's talk about the, you know what I'm saying, daily routine, because y'all know waves do not come overnight. So make sure y'all know that if you're starting off getting waves, make sure you got that in your head that you're not gonna get this overnight. But here's what I learned and what I recommend. Consistent brushing with all three brushes, from hard to medium to soft. Apply your moisturizer or whatever leave-in conditioner you're using. Make sure you kind of got a pattern you follow with that weekly. Like say if you use the leave-in conditioner every other day, make sure you continue that every week. And of course, always wear your do-rag at night. That's what's going to protect your progress. That's what's going to protect your hair. It's going to keep all the moisturizer locked in. So when you wake up and take that do-rag off, you know what I'm saying, you go to that mirror, it's looking crispy. So make sure y'all follow those steps. And just stay consistent with the brushing. Y'all gonna see progress. And just kind of look at these little fact box I got up. And yeah, that's probably y'all with this video. I mean, I ain't had too much planned. I should have, but I've been, you know what I'm saying, focused on my work and my life right now. But I'm gonna continue with these videos, and hopefully y'all watch, y'all stay to the end, y'all stay watching through it. Hopefully y'all picked up some information that y'all didn't know about. And I'm going to definitely get back with y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I'm out.
All these people know it's not my song. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fucking with me, sorry. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound this how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that.
I'm sorry I said that.
Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time?